Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Okay, so now let's get started with our tutorial covering React navigation. Open your terminal, change your directory to your desktop in your course projects folder. Within your course projects folder, run the command react native init react navigation. We're using camel casing. After our application is finished building, let's go ahead and change our directory to our project. React navigation. Although when you run the command react native init, that automatically creates our React and React Native packages. I want to make sure that all of us are using the same versions of React and React Native, so follow this command as well. Type in npm install -- save react at version 16.8.3 and React Native at 0.59.8. And let's go ahead and install React Navigation as well. React Navigation at 3.11.0. Press enter. So after our dependencies have finished their installation, let's go ahead and open up our project in our favorite editor. Before we get started, let's go ahead and run the command npm start. And let's also open up our folders. And open up our project in Xcode. I want to get our emulator up and running. Now that our project is running on our emulator, let's start building our application. Okay, so in our root folder, let's create our source folder. Then our source folder, we're going to have a screens folder. And for this application, we're going to have 4 screens. We're going to have a detail screen, a home screen, a profile screen, and a settings screen. I'm going to create our home screen first. Our home screen is going to be a functional component, so will the rest of our screens. we are going to import our view component, text, style sheet, and touchable opacity. We won't use touchable opacity right now. We will a little bit later, but just bear with me. So const home screen. Now for your functional components, you can either create a functional component this way as a function that returns, write the return method this way, or we can just go ahead and just add parentheses. This is the shorthand way to do it, so I'm going to go ahead and just do it this way. We're going to use our view component. Within our view, we're going to add our text. Our text for right now is just going to say home screen. Let's add our styles. Our container style will have a flex 1. Align items will be center. Justify content will be center as well. We're also going to have a text style. We're going to give our text style the font size of 20. Okay, go ahead and use our style prop. Add styles dot container to our view component, to our text component. We're going to use styles dot text style. Let's not forget to export our component. Okay. Because all of our screens are going to look the same, I'm just going to go ahead and copy all this code and paste it within our other screens. We're about to create our detail screen. Paste everything here. Let's go ahead and remove this touchable opacity. Add detail screen. Do the same thing to our export. Okay, everything's looking good. So let's go ahead, copy this code here. I'm going to create another screen, which will be our profile screen. And the same thing that we did within our detail screen, we're going to do in our profile screen. So remove everything that says details and replace it with profile. Okay, looking good, looking good. So let's create our last screen, which is our settings screen. Paste everything and replace details with settings. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right here. Our next video, we'll start to create our routing. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.